Perched high above the city of Iwakuni, Iwakuni Castle overlooks one of Japan's most iconic landmarks, the Kintai Bridge. From its mountaintop position, the castle offered both strategic defense and sweeping views of the surrounding region. The castle was originally built in 1608 by Kikkawa Hiroie, a feudal lord who ruled the area under the Tokugawa shogunate. Constructed atop Mount Shiroyama, it was designed as a stronghold to oversee the domain and control key routes. Despite its strategic design, the original castle had a short life. Just a few years after its completion, it was dismantled under Tokugawa policies that limited the number of castles each domain could maintain. For centuries, the castle remained in ruins, while the nearby Kintai Bridge became the enduring symbol of the area. The absence of the castle only added to its historical mystique. In 1962, Iwakuni Castle was reconstructed on the mountain using modern materials based on historical records. Though not entirely original, it restored the visual presence of the fortress overlooking the city. Today, Iwakuni Castle serves as a museum and scenic viewpoint. Visitors travel up the mountain to explore its exhibits and take in panoramic views, where the castle and the elegant arches of Kintai Bridge together create one of Japan's most iconic historic landscapes.